This week's video is the Isle of Skye. We're gonna drive a loop around the Isle of Skye.
It's a little cold here. I've got 2 jackets on, but we found this beautiful waterfall, even if my fingers almost froze off and I wasn't the one using the camera. Driving here is not relaxing. Yesterday's drive, well, I was driving for 2 hours. I screamed 5 times thinking I was gonna die. I screamed another 3 while Trevor was driving.
It's just so narrow, and then you get a wide truck that takes more than his lane, and you don't really have anything left to give.
There's no such thing as a shoulder here. It's like an inch, and on the other side of that is death.
And somehow we're still in one piece.
Take on religion before you come here. We're going nowhere fast. One thing about Scotland, even though the driving is deadly, the scenery is amazing.
Yeah.
So we stop every 10 minutes to do video and pictures. Right now we're at the old stone bridge, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful with the water and the bridge and the Cullen, red Cullen Mountains. Yeah, just drive and you'll find beautiful things.
Got a good shot of what's known as a hairy coo in Scotland.
Or a hairy cow.
Sounds better in Scottish. Kind of pretty, but they're kind of rare too. They're hard to find. Sad. So much more picturesque with their long red Scottish hair. Also on this drive, you can see these amazing mountain ranges, the Quiraing. And the Old Man of Store.
They're pretty magnificent.
That was a nice little waterfall. It was worth that hike.
The 50 meters
Yeah,
on the built bridge.
that's about our limit for hiking. Nice and flat.
It's pretty. Waterfall. You can see the cliffs to the ocean with iconic sheep.
Yes, of course there's sheep. Great time for a selfie.
Just back from Kilt Rock.
It's a bit windy.
It's a bit windy.
After Kilt Rock, we continued our loop around the Isle of Skye towards Castle Ewan. And then after that, we went to Portree, and that ended our loop.
We stopped for lunch at the Isle of Skye Baking Company. They had lots of Trevor gluten-y stuff. What did you have?
Peanut butter loaf cake thing with really good icing.
I had a raspberry tort, which was like a vanilla cake with raspberry puree on top. It was moist and good, and it was a great lunch stop with really clean bathrooms. Most of the houses on Skye are all these little white houses.
And we drove on to Linthithgow. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. We appreciate any or all 3 of those things. And stay tuned for our next video, which is going to be all about Stirling, Scotland. A lot of the battles that happened in Scotland happened over Stirling Castle. It's quite the city. We'll see you then.